Come, let's know how you can use the Explore app on your Android TV devices. From the Apps section, open the Explore app. You can choose to explore content in online or offline mode. By default, offline mode will be enabled. Please note that if you are exploring the offline mode, then insert the pen drive. If you are using online, then make sure to use a good internet connection. Select your grade. Now select your subject. Select your board and publisher. Within the module, Interactive eBook, choose the chapter you want to teach. You can view variety of content, videos, key terms, quizzes, Q&A, worksheets. Similarly, you can also view other modules related to the subject. Happy learning!